Hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have the ultimate guide on how to obtain a China visa, your gateway to exploring the wonders of this incredible country. Whether you're a traveler, entrepreneur, or student, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Determine your visa category. China offers various visa categories, including tourist, business, student, work, and more. Determine the purpose of your visit and choose the appropriate visa category accordingly. This will help you gather the correct documents and meet the specific requirements. Step 2. Collect necessary documents. Each visa category requires specific documentation. Ensure you have your valid passport, visa application form, recent photographs, invitation letters, proof of accommodation, travel itinerary, and any other supporting documents as per your visa category. Remember, thorough preparation is the key to success. Step 3. Complete the visa application form. Fill out the visa application form accurately, providing all the required information. Double-check for any errors or omissions before submitting. Attention to detail will increase your chances of approval. Step 4. Schedule an appointment with the Chinese embassy or consulate. Contact the embassy or consulate in your jurisdiction to schedule an appointment. Be sure to check their website for specific requirements and any additional documents or forms needed. Step 5. Attend the visa interview if required. Depending on your visa category and jurisdiction, you may be required to attend a visa interview. Be prepared to answer questions about your purpose of visit, itinerary, and any other relevant details. Step 6. Pay the visa application fee. Ensure you pay the visa application fee as per the guidelines provided by the embassy or consulate. Keep the payment receipt safe as you'll need it during the application process. Step 7. Wait for the visa processing. The visa processing time varies, so it's essential to submit your application well in advance of your planned travel date. Patience is key during the visa process. Step 8. Collect your passport with the China visa. Once your visa application has been processed and approved, you will receive your passport back with the China visa attached. Make sure to collect it from the Chinese embassy or consulate. Check the visa details for accuracy, including the validity dates and visa category. Remember, with the right information and proper preparation, obtaining your China visa will be a breeze. So keep exploring, keep traveling, and keep creating unforgettable memories. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video with your colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on China and Chinese language.